How to fix if your mouse cursor freezes, jumps, or disappears on your Windows PC, Windows 11 or Windows 10. And to fix this issue, first open Control Panel on your system, and in Control Panel, look for mouse option, click on it. Mouse properties window will open. Here go to pointer options from the top menu bar, and under visibility, uncheck the option hide pointer while typing, and finally apply and OK. And check whether your mouse is still jumping, disappears, or not working on your system. Then again go to Windows search and type hardware and device troubleshooters. Look for here, and if you find hardware and device troubleshooter, run it. In my case, this is not opening, so go to settings, and here under system settings, go to troubleshoot, and here click on other troubleshooters, and here look for hardware and devices troubleshooter. In some cases it may not find here, so if in your Windows devices and hardware troubleshooter available, then run this troubleshooter on your system. And run the Windows program compatibility troubleshooter and follow on screen instruction to complete the process, troubleshooting process. If any found problem found relating to mouse, it will detect and resolve here. The next one is again go to Windows search and open control panel. Look for control panel and open control panel in your Windows system, and again go to mouse, click on it, and here from the top menu bar go to pointer options again, and disable the feature enhance pointer precision, and finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. And check whether your mouse still mouse cursor jumping or disappears. Then go to device manager of your system, and here go to mic and other pointing devices section, expand it, and right click on your mouse driver and choose update driver. Sometimes outdated mouse driver may be a cause of this issue, so search automatically for drivers, and the best driver for your device has already installed.